It's more than just the diagnosis of multiple sclerosis. For me, it was a constant fear of what the future might hold. What will multiple sclerosis do next? Am I gonna progress further? Am I gonna get to something like secondary progressive? Was my diagnosis wrong? What if I have primary progressive? All I'm left with is a bunch of questions and no answers. They say I have relapsing remitting, but I know something is wrong, always wrong. I feel like I'm progressing. I never, ever feel like I'm in remission, ever. Nobody will ever give me a definite answer. I think it's because they don't know. And that scares me even more. That's how I felt for a really long time. But there's a way. This is what I did and what it took me to be able to beat MS. I'm a little puzzled. I don't know everything, like I said. And there's a lot I don't know and will probably never know about MS. But I base what I say on my personal experience and publish scientific papers. Her comment confuses me, really confuses me. Barbara writes, no, sorry, exercise does not stop MS brain atrophy. Younger age and low disease time are the only protection you have. This is why older age at diagnosis gives primary progressive and not relapsing remitting. Only thing that gives normal brain atrophy is hematopoietic stem cell transplantation. Really? That first sentence caught my attention. Exercise does not stop MS brain atrophy. Hey, it's Steve. MS or not, brain atrophy happens to everyone. It's part of the normal life cycle of every human being out there. But it's accelerated in MS. Trying to stop atrophy altogether is doomed to fail. But that's not the problem in MS. Our problem is the loss of myelin, and I'm laser focused on creating new myelin. And I have no problem saying I have the ability to generate new myelin even throughout my life. Exercise is one of the most powerful tools we have, despite what Barbara says. All exercise helps, but I'm very specific saying it's weightlifting. It carries the best way to generate what are called action potentials in our neurons, also known as electrical impulses. They regulate myelination. And yes, even myelination in older adults. Again, I go back to the comment. Younger age and low disease time are the only protection you have. No, not at all. Even though age is a predictor of MS phenotypes, the phenotypes are not a death sentence. I feel now, more than ever, the protection is growing stronger and stronger. I don't have primary or secondary progressive MS. Progression makes achieving normal brain atrophy harder, but not impossible. I can't find any scientific papers claiming the only thing that gives normal brain atrophy is HSCT. Hematopoietic stem cell transplantation, HSCT, uses an intense bout of chemotherapy to wipe out the immune system. The aim is to stop MS by wiping out with chemo first, and then lets your body activate the innate response that regrows the immune system. Hopefully, by resetting it and stopping it. And it is pretty effective. But only about 2 out of every 3 people find good benefit. There are still about 30% that still have relapses. I can't find any other research you reference when you say normal brain atrophy after HSCT. Really, all I found was this article that says the opposite. Brain shrinkage due to drugs used in HSCT. I'm not bashing HSCT at all. It's very effective. It has proven to be very effective for those people with highly active MS. It can reduce relapses and stabilize, and can even improve disability for some. But I emphasize that statement, for some. I think that means a lot. HSCT can't regrow nerves or repair damaged myelin. So, I don't think stem cells are the ultimate cure. I think if there ever is going to be a cure, it's done first by stopping inflammation. All MS therapies have the ability to reduce inflammation in the brain. And I mean, even though weightlifting is instrumental in my recovery, before I adopted the 5 essential elements, my brain looked like it wasn't shrinking. But look at the area I'm pointing at right now. An initial response would be to say there's no sign of atrophy. But that's a false appearance. That is really inflammation causing my brain to expand. I had adopted weightlifting at that point, but lifting in all its power can't do it alone. It needs support from the other 4 elements. Once I got all 5 going, they attacked that swelling by suppressing inflammation and boosting anti-inflammation. The ultimate result makes it look like my brain shrank, but really, it's just returned to a normal size, all without the help of HSCT. That normal size stopped my fatigue and fatigue. I lived over a decade with fatigue, taking naps all day, never feeling rested. It stopped my spasticity. I was always so tight. That was half the reason why I couldn't walk. It stopped my pain. That would wake me up in the middle of the night, sending jolts of energy up my legs into my spine, keeping me awake. But now, they're all gone. It's gonna be a few more months until my next MRI. I've done some amazing things, and those amazing things are taking hold. I feel it. I feel so much. I know that next MRI is gonna speak volumes. Everybody, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. What do you think about my response to Barbara? Was it appropriate? Anyone have HSCT done? If you have, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.